Okay guys, so this cool kit comes with a bunch of cones that you can use to drift around, and I guess this in here will be the thing that stops the batteries from falling out, I guess. Hard to say, but I'm going to open it up for you guys so you guys can see. Wow, that's a lot of cones. And you've got some stickers too for the initial D. Let's see, cones, cones, cones. I have no idea what that is. And this is probably what's going to stop the batteries from falling out. Let me get some batteries to try. So we'll just dump a couple of batteries in here. 1 and 2. And I really don't know what's going to go and happen here. I think that's all you got to do for that. Now let's see. I put a couple of batteries in the remote. Let's see. 1 and 2. And struggling with that. Okay, got it. I guess you turn on the remote. No? I guess you don't turn on. Oh, the remote turn on button is back here, I think. Cool, it has some numbers going on there. There should be an on switch here. It is obviously not bound. What the heck? I do not know how to bind this. There's different options. Okay, I think. Okay, we've got somewhat proportional steering, but this does not look like it's going to be drifting anytime soon. It's got rubber wheels. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. At least we got it running. But yeah, the tires that it comes with are way too rubbery for this to be able to do any drifting. And yeah, but it looks really cool, and it has a fun motor in there, like the ones that came in the 4WD, some of the old. So not bad, not bad. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Learn more about this later on. See you soon.